Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today I'm going to discuss the topic elements of contract. Elements of contract mean arkanul uqud या arkan aqd, arkanul aqd ke arkan. So this is elements of contract. It is a very important topic in term of Islamic law of contract because Islamic law of the contract, as you know, that the contract is between the two parties and there should be mutual consent, as we discussed in earlier, that there should be free mutual consent. And how mutual consent can be conveyed, this is the basic things in Islamic economic system, in Islamic financial system, you can say, and muamalat. So the element of contract is very important element, and this is, as you know, that the element name, the title and element is telling you that how what is its important, because this is the basic pillars of the contract. So look at here, regarding the elements of contract, there are difference of opinion among jurists. So there are two schools. One is Hanafi school and other are the Jamhur. So these are the terminology we will use during this lecture and even in the our Islamic law of contract lectures. Jamhur mean majority of the jurist. So there are four schools: Hanafi, Imam Azam Abu Hanifa; Maliki, the leader of Maliki school is Imam Malik; Shafi'i, the leader is Imam Muhammad bin Idris al-Shafi'i; and Hanbali school, the leader of Hanbali school is Imam Muhammad bin Ahmad bin Hanbal. Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal, sorry. So these are the four schools. The Jamhur will be considered when three of these schools are together. We will say that Jamhur are together, and anyone who will differs from three, we will say that that specific school is against the Jamhur. So this is the Jamhur. When we say Jamhur, it means that three parties out of four are talking about this one. So Jamhur means majority of the jurists. So there is a difference of opinion regarding the elements of contract, that how many elements of contracts are, कि कितने elements of contract हैं. There is a difference of opinion. According to Hanafi jurists, it means Imam Azam Abu Hanifa and his school, his students like Sahiban, we call Sahiban. Sahiban mean students. And there are two prominent students of Imam Azam Abu Hanifa. One is Imam Abu Yusuf and other is Muhammad bin Hassan Ash-Shaybani. So Imam Muhammad bin Hassan, we usually call him Imam Muhammad. So Imam Muhammad is the second one. He is second student, Imam Abu Yusuf and Imam Muhammad. Imam Muhammad and Imam Abu Yusuf both are known in Islamic jurisprudence literature as Sahiban. And in Hanafi paradigm, when Imam Abu Hanifa and Imam Abu Yusuf are together, we call them Shaykhain, because Imam Muhammad was junior to Imam Abu Yusuf and Imam Muhammad was also student of Imam Abu Yusuf, and that is why we call the teachers of Imam Muhammad. So Imam Muhammad obtained knowledge from Imam Abu Yusuf and Imam Abu Hanifa. So Imam Abu Hanifa and Imam Abu Yusuf both are known as Shaykhain. And because Imam Muhammad and Imam Abu Yusuf both are students of Imam Abu Hanifa, so that is why they are known as Sahiban. And Imam Muhammad and Imam Abu Hanifa, these two are known as Tarfan. So this is the terminology. What does it mean? So Hanafi jurists, all of the Hanafi, Imam Abu Hanifa, Imam Abu Yusuf, Imam Muhammad, they are of the view that there is only one element of the contract. Whereas Jamhur mean majority, Imam Shafi, according to Maliki, according to Hanbali of these schools, they are of the view that no, there are three elements of contract. So this is the basic difference between Jamhur and the Hanafi jurist. Okay. When we talk about Jamhur, they say that Sigha, when we call about Sigha, Swad, Ye, Ghain, and Ha. Sigha. Sigha, it is known as offer and acceptance. We are also called al-ijab wal-kubul. हम उर्दू में कहते हैं कि ये ईजाब और कबूल की बात हो रही है, offer and acceptance. And offer and acceptance is known in one term, that sigha. When we someone that sigha is, it means that they are talking about offer and acceptance. Okay. Then the second one is, according to Jamhur, the contracting parties known as aqedain, aqd karne wale, the parties who are executing, who are concluding, who are signing the contract, those are the contracting parties. In sale contract, seller, buyer, those two parties. In partnership, one partner, second partner, two partners. So these are known as contracting parties. The second element of the contract is contracting parties. And number three is the subject matter, mean ma'kud alayh. So ma'kud alayh is element of contract. If we want to write in uh, let me write in